Let's take a look at using our side-by-side analysis module. This allows us to do cohort comparison of any two subsets of data within our project. So we'll open up side-by-side, and what we're looking at here is the comparison of a number of different metrics of what is our current set, and then we've got a pick list of all the different sets of data that we have saved in our project. So right now we're looking at our full population of claims and comparing that against just those that we've deemed to be long running. So we've got some metrics like the count of claims or timelines, the average duration of one against another, and on down the list. We can even add custom metrics as we see fit to be able to compare our current set versus any of our other subsets. So a number of metrics here. We've also got the ability to visualize how these sets break down over time. So based on week over week, how do our long running claims compare with our current set, our full population in this case? We can also break it down by any of the attributes within our data set. So if we're curious how it breaks down by the different adjusters on our claims, based on our current set, it looks like Jimrick's processes a proportionately high amount of those, as well as a higher amount of our long running claims. So to be able to compare all of our different adjusters, we can also now look at it by the amount of time it takes. Okay, so based on our duration, this is the average and 75th percentile on how commonly these claims are done in a certain period of time. Now, the last thing to show you here is to compare or do some cohort analysis based on process behaviors. So when I click path analysis, this is going to take me into a path, and along the top you're going to be able to see the number of long-running claims that have executed one series of steps, along with how that correlates with our overall or current set in this scenario. So we can start to look for different correlations based on how, when we complete these long-running claims, does it correlate to how often we actually do the same set of steps or take the same execution path as our overall set.